Mastering Idioms, Unraveling, Scoring Line. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms, and our focus is on the phrase, scoring line. Understanding idioms like this is key to sounding like a native speaker and enriching your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it. The term, scoring line, is not your everyday phrase. In fact, it's quite specific and is primarily used in the context of sports, such as ice hockey or soccer. It refers to a group of players known for their ability to score points effectively. When you hear scoring line, think of a team's best offensive players who are likely to score during a game. While the exact origin of scoring line is rooted in sports, it's a term that has transcended beyond the field. It originated from the lineup of players in a team sport who are strategically placed together because of their combined scoring prowess. Over time, this term has found its way into everyday language, often used metaphorically. You can use scoring line in a figurative sense to describe any group or combination of elements that work exceptionally well together to achieve a goal. For example, in a business setting, a scoring line could refer to a team of top salespeople. It's all about context and the idea of high performance and success. Let's see how to use scoring line in sentences. In ice hockey, the coach relied on the first scoring line to secure the win in the final period. Our company's scoring line of developers worked tirelessly to launch the new app ahead of schedule. The charity event was a success, thanks to the scoring line of volunteers who managed the fundraiser. And that's a wrap on scoring line. Remember, idioms can add color and depth to your language skills, and understanding them is a great way to enhance your English learning journey. We hope this video has been insightful and that you're now more confident in using the phrase, scoring line. Until our next English adventure, keep practicing, and see you soon.